Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of winter quarter 2021. I hope that week 1 went smoothly for everyone and you're finding your way around the course setup, around all the tools, you're getting more comfortable with Hypothesis and Padlet and all of the stuff that we are using in this quarter. There were a few things that came up that I just wanted to address really quickly before I do the overview of week 2. So there was a question that came up in the sort of open text question area after the course orientation videos about hypothesis. So the question was whether the annotation should be more sort of personal reflections or more geared towards what you would put on a class discussion board. And I think it's kind of both. A mix of both. So you can do, more, I guess not formal, but more thought out responses, have conversations, but you can also do quick reactions. I just want you to engage with the reading in whatever format makes the most sense to you. So it could be that one reading you get some quick reactions and one reading speaks to you more and you want to talk more about it. It doesn't matter to me as long as you're interacting with the reading. Now, make sure you're also annotating within the class group. So there is a link that you can follow to join the class group in the week 1 module and the getting your profiles set up page. I will repost that link in a more central location for week 2 as well. So if you're annotating in the public, that's fine. I can still see your annotations, but you're also not seeing my pre-annotations and then maybe not seeing as many of your classmates' responses too. So just trying to make sure that you see all the interactions that are happening. Check out the class group as well. And lastly, if you're having trouble finding the knit group or the group for our class on knit, don't worry. I'm going to try to figure out all that stuff this week. I'm going to confirm all the membership requests that I've gotten and then make sure that I'm not missing anyone. So really going slow with the WordPress setup, making sure that we don't have any problems and just getting all loaded up. So if you haven't figured out how to join the group yet, that's fine. We'll figure that out this week. Okay, so week 2. Week 2, we are going to do the history of digital history. So we have 2 really interesting articles to read. The first one is a short sort of overview of the different ways that digital methods have been used by historians starting from, like the 80s and 90s and moving to the present. So there's a lot of really interesting examples that are linked in that article. And I want you to choose one of them and sort of follow the link and check out the resource and sort of play around with it, interact with it, and then record your observations in your Google Doc that you're going to create. That's going to basically serve as your project journal. And then the other reading is an academic journal article. So it is a little bit more dense. It is, much more academically framed in terms of what the impact of digital search does to historical research. So the viewpoints in both the articles are very different. One of them is much more positive. One of them is a little bit more caution. There's lots more warning and caution in it. So I'm excited to see what you all think. I have put a lot of annotations into both of them already, so feel free to just read through and respond to what I've written, to add your own thoughts, to ask questions, especially on the academic article because it is a little bit dense. And then we're going to be hanging out on our Padlet, doing some discussion of some questions that I put up based on the readings, but also I want you all to share your observations, your experiences with the digital project that you investigated, and I want to give us a chance to sort of accumulate a bunch of different examples and sort of see how different groups of people, different scholars, community organizations are creating digital history resources. So I'm going to maybe use this week 2 Padlet as a place to put some other examples that I've come across that weren't mentioned in the article as well, to give us a lot of different examples to have in one central location. All right, that's it. Have a great week, everyone. Just take it easy. I know last week was a lot, just a lot randomly of, not randomly, but 2021 for the first week, it was a doozy. So let's just get through this week and do our best. And I will see you all online, and please reach out to me with any questions or come see me in my student hours tomorrow. All right. Bye, everyone. Have a great week too.